Christy Hartman here. Welcome back to my channel. This is my new stencil. This is called Wildflower Iris, and these are based on irises I see when we're out in the mountains. You don't see them very often. So this stencil is from pmartiststudio, and I'm super excited to share this with you today. And I pulled out some prints from previous printing sessions that I liked and I think will work as a background for this iris. So I have this one, I have this one, this one, this one, which I really love this print, and I hope that this turns out because I think that is going to be really lovely. This one, and then these daisies. I don't know that I'll use all of these, but I think some of them would turn out really nicely. I'm going to position that down over the top. That one will look like that. I think that'll be lovely. That's an interesting print. I really like it. All right, let's pull this off. Well, I had a whole lot of paint on there. It's very thick, but I certainly have got a good image. it will take a while for this to dry. Let's pull this off. And I should put this down on something. Look at that. That is going to be absolutely spectacular. Let's take this stencil. Come right over the top of it. And I've got a clean brayer. Okay, I'm going to let that sit for a minute. Let's see if this works. Not as well as I'd hoped. That turned out great, just exactly as I'd hoped. That one turned out well too. These are my prints that I've made using my iris stencil. This one was done on deli paper, and I wasn't planning on it being a good print, but it's actually really nice. This was one that I did with the dark blue. I think that turned out really well. I think it's lovely. This one is very light, but you can see the shimmer of the background papers. This one didn't turn out at all, which I was really sad about, because I love this print. Unfortunately, it didn't turn out. I don't think this was opaque enough, nor was there enough of a contrast. But this one turned out really well. I was really happy with this one. This one had way too much paint on. This one didn't work out at all. This was my flop off, where I took my stencil and went over the top of the... This one turned out exceptionally well. I really love this. I loved this background. I love this one. This is probably my favorite of the bunch, just because of the psychedelic nature in the background. Thanks for joining me. Leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Watch the video till the end. I know y'all like to fast forward through the videos, but that doesn't help me. It helps me if you watch to the end. I'm trying to get my watch hours up. Give me some love with some hearts. Talk to you later. See you in my next video.